Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Conversation Journal. Today, Tom and Sarah are going on a boat trip. They want to visit a beautiful island, but something goes wrong with their boat. Where will they end up? Let's find out. Are you ready? Let's start their adventure. After the end of each sentence, try to repeat the sentence aloud. Renting the boat.
Look at all these boats.
Tom, do you have any experience with driving a boat?
Yes, I've gone with friends a few times.
Great. Which one should we rent?
How about that white one with the blue stripe?
It looks nice. Let's ask.
Hello, can I help you?
We want to rent a boat for the day.
Sure. Where are you going?
To Sunset Island. Is it far?
Not far, about 30 minutes by boat.
Is it easy to drive?
Very easy. This boat is simple.
Is it safe?
Of course. The engine is new.
How much?
It's $250 including fuel.
Great, we'll take it.
Here are the keys. Be careful and have fun. There are life jackets in the boat if you need them.
Thank you. We'll be back before 5 p.m.
This is exciting! Our first boat trip!
I can't wait to see the island.
Let's go!
The engine stops.
The water is so beautiful.
I love the wind. This is amazing!
How much longer to the island?
Maybe 15 more minutes?
I can't see it yet.
It should be straight ahead.
Tom, is the boat slowing down?
What? No, I don't think so.
Yes, we're going slower.
Maybe I should give it more gas?
The engine sounds strange.
You're right. That's a weird noise.
What's happening?
I don't know. The engine is stopping.
What? No.
It stopped. The engine is dead.
Try to start it again.
I'm trying. It won't start.
Tom, we're in the middle of the ocean.
I know. Don't panic.
Don't panic. We're stuck.
Let me check the engine.
Do you know about engines?
No, but I can try.
Drifting away.
I can't fix it. I don't know what's wrong.
What do we do now?
Do we have a phone signal?
Let me check. No signal.
Of course not. We're too far from land.
Should we call for help?
How? We have no signal.
Does this boat have a radio?
I don't see one.
The boat owner didn't give us one.
Maybe we should wait. Someone will find us.
Wait, in the middle of the ocean?
What else can we do?
Tom, look at the water.
What?
We're moving.
Oh, the current. The water is pushing us.
Oh no, we're drifting. Where are we going?
Away from Sunset Island.
This is bad. Very bad.
Stay calm. We'll figure this out.
How can I stay calm?
At least we have food and water.
For now.
Arriving at the strange island.
Tom, wake up!
What? I wasn't sleeping.
Look, do you see that?
See what?
There, in the distance.
Is that land?
Yes, an island.
We're saved.
The current is taking us there.
Finally, some good luck.
But this doesn't look like Sunset Island.
What do you mean?
Sunset Island has hotels and restaurants. boats.
So,
I don't see any buildings.
maybe we're looking at the wrong side?
I don't think so.
We're getting closer.
There are trees everywhere.
And rocks.
Tom, where are we?
I have no idea.
This is not Sunset Island.
We need to get to the beach.
How? We have no engine.
Wait, look under the seats.
What are you looking for?
An oar, or a paddle, something.
Good idea. Let me check this side.
Found one. There's an oar here.
Great. Give it to me. I'll help paddle.
No, it's the only one. We have to take turns.
Okay, you start. I'll rest.
This is harder than it looks.
Keep going. We're getting closer.
My arms are tired already.
Let me try now.
Here, your turn.
We're almost there. I can see the beach.
Be careful of the rocks.
I'm trying. The waves are strong.
We made it. We're at the beach.
Quick, let's tie the boat.
Tie it? With what?
There's a rope in the boat. Use that tree.
Good thinking. I'll tie it tight.
Make sure it's secure. We have to return this boat.
Done. The boat is safe.
Now what do we do?
Exploring the island.
I can't believe we're on a strange island.
At least we're on land.
Look around. There's nobody here.
Maybe people are on the other side?
I hope so.
We should explore.
Good idea. Let's walk around the island.
Wait, we should bring water and food.
You're right. Take the backpack.
Which way should we go?
Let's go right, along the beach.
Okay, stay close to me.
This place is actually beautiful.
But also scary.
What if there are wild animals?
Don't say that.
I'm just thinking.
Think happy thoughts.
Like what?
Like we're having an adventure.
An adventure we didn't plan.
The best adventures are unexpected.
Tom, you're trying too hard to be positive.
I know, I'm actually really worried.
Finding the fisherman.
We've been walking for almost an hour.
My feet hurt.
Should we go back?
Wait, do you smell that?
Smell what?
Smoke. Someone is cooking.
You're right. Where is it coming from?
Over there, behind those rocks.
Let's go check.
Be careful, we don't know who it is.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Who's there? Who are you?
We're Tom and Sarah. We need help.
Help? What happened?
Our boat engine stopped.
And you drifted here? To this island?
Yes, can you help us?
Of course. My name is Carlos. Come, sit down.
Thank you so much.
You're lucky I'm here. I come here to fish.
Do you have a phone? Or a radio?
I have a radio for emergencies.
Can we use it, please?
Of course, but first eat something.
We can eat?
I just caught fresh fish. You must be hungry.
We are, thank you.
Then we'll call for help. Don't worry.
Rescue and happy ending.
The fish and the bread were delicious.
Best meal ever.
Thanks. Now, let's call the Coast Guard.
Thank you for helping us.
No problem. This happens sometimes. Okay, I called the Coast Guard. They're coming to get you. A boat will be here in 30 to 40 minutes.
I can't believe this. We're saved.
What an adventure.
You know, Most people never see this island.
Really? Why not?
It's too far from the tourist spots.
It's beautiful here.
You should come back sometime, the right way.
Maybe we will.
Next time with a working boat.
And a radio.
Look, there's the Coast Guard boat.
Finally.
Hello, everyone okay?
Yes, we're fine.
We're just ready to go home. Thank you for rescuing us.
Thank you, Carlos. You saved us.
Anytime. Be careful out there.
We will, we promise. Once we reach land, we'll inform the rental company, and they'll send someone to get the boat.
And Tom, next time you want an adventure,
Yes?
let's just go to the park.
Deal.
And that's Tom and Sarah's island adventure. They started with a boat trip and ended up on a mysterious island. But they found help and made a new friend. If you enjoyed this adventure, please don't forget to like and subscribe. More Tom and Sarah adventures are coming soon. Keep practicing your English every day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.